morning, Konyaalti, and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm Ramadan, and this is day 8 of the fasting month of Ramadan. The way you're looking at it, 22 more to go. As I said before, I've not really been eating much in the morning and stuff like that, so I haven't really done any videos of what my food intake is, but I'm still quite pleased about how it's going. I haven't really missed the food at all, but then I never do. Water's a bit of an issue, but today it's really windy, really cold, and because I've been up early, I'm really tired. Airport run to get rid of someone. They're flying back to the UK, so I'll have a bit more time on my hands. I don't know what I'm going to do today. By the time we come back, there's not going to be much daylight left, I don't think. But on top of it all, the weather's really cold. It was showing something like 12 degrees, but it feels far colder. I mean, everybody's got their, see what I mean about the wind, and everybody's got their big coats on, and it's just not letting up. The last few days it's been really windy, but today I feel really cold. But hey, you deal with what you can for the fasting. I don't let it try to bother me, so let's see. This is Antalya Airport, very nice little airport, compact. You can park right next to the departures when people are leaving, kick them out, they're straight in, and really well, once the system's working, the booking in is really simple and easy. But as I said, for such a small airport, it's really busy. Let me just show you how big it is. There you go, that's the end of it there. They're making another section just on the other side because it's got so busy. And then this is the main departure, and at the far end over there where the taxis are coming out, right at the end, is the arrivals. So you've got the arrivals right next to the departure. Really good system. There you go, my latest friend. Moves just like me. Slow and steady. Come on, move. He's gone all camera shy. Shy like me as well. There he is, he's on the move. All he needed was some water. He's one of the smallest turtles I've ever seen. If the chickens see him, he's going to be a dead turtle. Didn't really get out much today because of all the running around this morning. I'm really tired because we was up really early. But as I was stumbling across, just trying to keep myself busy, I came across this mosque. Very nice. Again, grounds are lovely. Every mosque I've seen, the grounds have been really nice, really clean. I'm surprised how clean Turkey is. Here we go, Konyaalti Muftulug, number 4 or number 6 years Quran, 4 or 6 years old Quran classes as well. It looks quite new, but the minaret looks old, looks done really well done. End of day 8, not gonna lie, been a really busy day today. Had to break fast with a bottle of water. It was so far away from everything, but just rushing around helping others. Didn't really do a lot today, didn't really do any videoing, nothing really worthwhile, but really was a busy day today. But on the good side, the fast went quite easy, no hunger, no water, but it was so cold. Today the coldest I've felt off for a long time in Turkey. It was proper freezing and windy. But hey, Dravi number 9, get ready for tomorrow, so let's go and do the business. Just finishing from my local after Dravi. Not gonna lie, it was a difficult day today. Knee's been killing me, right knee, right foot, both proper pain. Even struggled for the Dravis today, couldn't get up and down properly, but hey, it's done. And you know what, the sweet boys are back. It's really nice of them to bring out sweets after Dravi. Jazakallah boys, thanks a lot.